Milwaukee deals here, or actually one deal. Big shout out to Sandro and Dennis at Deal Team 6. Sandro for posting the link and Dennis for posting the deal here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, so we can make more review videos so you guys will miss the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so this is the M12 12-volt cordless 3/8 ratchet and screwdriver combo kit, 2-tool combo kit, charger, and tool bag. Alright, so this is a ratchet and a screwdriver. Now, I do recommend you guys get this screwdriver for the smaller stuff. Keep in mind that this is not an impact driver or as powerful as an impact driver. This is just like a screwdriver for smaller screws and stuff like that, smaller bolts and stuff like that. And then you got the ratchet, guys. The ratchet is not, neither of these tools are brushless. These are brush tools. They still work pretty good. They are Milwaukee, so you guys know Milwaukee's pretty good. And these are this is the older style ratchet, still pretty solid. And it does come with the battery and charger and a bag. So this is a solid deal. If I can get the price. There we go. 99 bucks, guys. Down from 199. It's down to 99. Save $100, 50% off. Or according to what they say here, right? But yeah, this is definitely a great deal, guys. 50 bucks a piece. Killer deal. I know there's not a lot of good deals out there, as in new hacks and all that. But this is just one that I had to post for you guys. I'll leave you guys a link down below on the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.